Hello there, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. In this video, I am breaking down how to save voice message in Messenger Android. No root, no sketchy apps, just a clean and easy method anyone can do. Here is a quick overview of what we will be diving into. Step 1. Open Messenger. Step 2. Fire up your screen recorder. Step 3. Record while playing the message. Step 4. Stop the recording. Step 5. Trim your screen recording with your phone's built-in video editor. Step 6. Convert the video to MP3. Let's get right into it. Step 1. Open Messenger. First, launch the Messenger app and open the chat that has the voice message you want to keep. Step 2. Fire up your screen recorder. Swipe down to access your quick settings and tap screen recorder. If your phone doesn't have one built in, grab a free one from the Play Store like AZ Screen Recorder. Step 3. Record while playing the message. Once the screen recorder is running, go back to Messenger and play the voice message. Let the whole message play while it is recording. Hello there, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. In this video, I am breaking down how to save. Step 4. Stop the recording. Done. Stop the screen recorder and it will automatically save to your gallery or recordings folder. Step 5. Trim your screen recording with your phone's built-in video editor. Open the screen recording using your phone's built-in video editor and trim the video to keep only the section that includes the voice message. Step 6. Convert the video to MP3. You can convert the video to an MP3 audio file without extra apps by renaming the video file. Tap and hold it. Select Rename, change the extension from .mp4 to .mp3 and save the changes so your Android device recognizes it as an audio track. Hello there, welcome back. That's it. Your Messenger voice message is now a standalone audio file saved to your device. If this video helped you out, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, stay connected and stay awesome. See you in the next one. Bye for now.